Morning class, welcome again to our online class. So these are our learning objectives for our topic or for the lesson that we are going to discuss this morning. First one, we have define what a claim is in an argument. Second is identify the types of claim. Third one is recognize the varying words and expression used in each type of claim. So before we start our discussion, let us have first our preliminary activity. Okay, first, read the following statement. And then after reading that, okay, react or answer the question that I might ask. Okay, so a teenager who wants a new cellular phone makes the following claims. Okay, first one, every other girl in her school has a cell phone. Second one, she will be safer with a cell phone because she can call 911. And then the third one is a cell phone with internet access will help her do homework. Okay. So if you are the one to buy her the cell phone, which statement or which claim convince you to buy her? Okay. So maybe some of you will choose the number one or the first claim, or it could be the second claim. Okay. For the safety, if you are considering the safety of the person that you are going to buy a cell phone, so you will be convinced with that. And then for the third one naman, okay, so it's timely, especially when we are holding our online classes. We can use that cell phone. Okay. So, maybe you are asking why I ask you these questions or why we have this kind of activity. Okay, because in our further discussion, we will see or we will discover how this activity is connected in our lesson for today. Okay, so let us now define claim. When we say claim, it is a single unit, the topic of an argument, and it is the central argument or thesis statement of the text. It is the writer tries to prove in the text by providing details, explanation, and other types of evidence. So like what I said a while ago, those given statements are considered claim. Okay? So a claim that provides details, explanation, and evidences. Okay, and then what are the characteristics of a claim? First are praise a statement and not question. So remember that a claim could not be a question and should be praised so both sides have an opportunity to support and defend their position. Should be as specific as possible. Must be praised against the current belief policy in order to create potential for controversy, and should be praised so the burdens like obligations and responsibilities are clear to both sides involved. Okay, so let us now discuss the three forms of claims. Okay, so we have first the claim of facts, claim of value, and then the claim of policy. Okay, so let's have first the claim of facts. So in our previous lesson, we have already discussed what is a facts. Okay, so it is a general truth and it is existed and it's proven. So in the claim of facts, it is a statement of something that has existed, or it could be in the past, or exists in the present, or will exist in the future. Okay, like for this example, blended learning or modular online classes started last year. So that is a facts, and that is in the past. Okay, that is existed already in the past. Okay, and then face-to-face classes are suspended because of COVID-19 pandemic. So that is also a facts. Okay, that expresses a present actions. Okay, so that is present. And then face-to-face classes will resume as soon as we assure the safety of everybody. Okay, so that is now a claim of facts that expressing future actions. Okay, so it's true, no, that face-to-face classes will resume if we assure the safety of everybody. Okay, so that is the claim of facts. How about now the claim of value? Okay, the claim of value based on preference such as likes or dislikes, or somewhat good or bad. Okay? So aside from that, it is referring to attitudes, behavior, or it is attitudes, behavior, and okay, and then the feelings or the emotions of someone. Okay? So like for this example, killing animals in the process of medical testing is immoral. Okay, so that is a claim of value. Okay, so what are those? In one of our learning objective is to recognize the varying words or expressions used in each type of claim. So in this case, which do you think is the word that gives you a hint that it's a claim of value? Okay, so it is by using the words or the words immoral and then killing animals. Okay, so once we heard the word killing of animals and immoral, so it seems that there is a what? There is something striking, no, striking things, okay, that pointed in our heart. Okay, so that is a claim of value. Okay, and then it is something that is referring to good or bad. So killing animals, that is a bad one. Okay, and then we have the capital punishment is unjust. Okay, so the word unjust give us an idea that it's claim of value. And then we are all responsible to obey health protocol to stop spreading the virus. So the word responsible, okay? So as we are being responsible, no, so that is a claim of value. Okay, and then next one is the claim of policy. Okay, what is a claim of policy? It's a statement that indicates that an action must be taken in specific policies. Okay, must be taken in specific policies. So it could be a law, an actions regarding with the laws, with the legality, okay, and then we have the policies. Okay, so example, barangay officials should have stricter in implementing GCQ in their areas. Okay, so the word stricter in implementing, so it seems that there is a rules and regulation implementing or implemented in their areas. Okay, and then next one is Congress should pass the DREAM Act. So the DREAM Act. Okay, so it is a loss. Okay, it is a law. Okay, and then death penalty should be abolished. So death penalty is also a law. Okay, so that is a claim of policy. Okay, so let's see more examples. Okay, first one, sometimes people use Facebook, Twitter, and other social media to bully one another. So that is a claim of facts. Yes, social media are used, no, social media are used to bully one another. Okay, it is wrong to use social media to bully people, or it's wrong, or the word wrong. Okay, the word wrong is obviously, okay, referring to claim of value. Okay, next. There should be criminal charges against people who use social media to bully others. Okay, so that is claim of policy. Those criminal charges, okay, that is pertaining to a law or a regulations or a policy. Okay, next is people who refuse to recycle should be forced to alternative community service. So this is also an example of claim of policy. Okay. So, maybe you now understand what are the differences of the three types of claims, okay, how they differ with each other, the claim of facts, the claim of values, and then claim of policy. So, let's have this activity. Identify which type of claim the statement is making. Okay? So, first one, excessive consumption of alcohol can lead to many illnesses. Yes, it is a claim of facts. Okay, honesty is the best policy. So that is a claim of policy. But then it could be also a claim of value. Okay, number 3, an improved sewer system would solve the flood drainage problem. So that is claim of facts. And then number 4, America should protect its domestic industries with tariffs and quotas. So that is claim of policy with the use of the word tariffs and quota. So that is pertaining to a policy. And then number 5, obesity can cause heart disease. Okay. So that is a claim of facts. Okay.